place where the word target comes into your dictionary for the very first time. Your teachers give you different goals, and realizing those goals, you reach a different level, a different height, and start to dream. Well, for me too, it started in school. My teachers helped me realize my dreams and also achieve them. Today, I am at Manav Rachna International trying to understand how the children here are realizing their dreams. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rajul.
What do you want to be in future?
My goal is to become a psychiatrist,
tennis player,
pilot,
musician.
badminton player,
philosopher.
I dream of becoming a politician.
The Manav Rachna International School gives its students several avenues of learning such as arts, music and other extracurricular activities. In addition to that, students also take part in many social outreach programs. Manav Rachna International School is part of the string of educational institutions founded by Dr. O.P. Bhalla, an educationist and philanthropist who has won numerous awards for his contribution in the field of education. Simon, we've been hearing about this interesting curriculum. It's called Paragon. Tell me more about it.
Paragon is about building better individuals, and Mosaica Education is based on the thinking of Dr. Dawn Edelman and her husband Gene Edelman in the United States. And what they looked at was they wanted an education that would be truly engaging for all learners, that would put children at the heart of learning and take them through the richness of a classical and rigour of a classical education, but taking them through those key periods of time and history. And because Paragon is about building better human beings as well and being the best that somebody can be, that ties in very strongly with the philosophical alignment of Manav Rachna, which is to also create better human beings. So through creating a range of hands-on activities, discussions, they're learning about geography, they're learning about culture, they're learning through dance, through song, through performance, as well as through hands-on activities.
Okay, Simon, do you also think that the kids enjoy this bit a little more than the usual learning that we see in other schools?
They do. The reason is that because by putting themselves in the position of the person or the time and the era, and by doing things, the children really live the experience. So here, when they've been, for example, when they've been in the unit in Africa, they've learnt about how African children make toys through wire, and they create galimotos, for example, and the children get really engrossed in creating that, the toy or the event. When they were looking at the homes, they're able to understand the different things that make a home, that has a roof, that it has walls, it has windows, and it protects you. So they get to really reflect on what the purpose is.
Thank you so much, Simon. It was a pleasure talking to you. Well, I see many dreams coming true through these innovative ideas that Manav Rachna International is actually implementing. But let me tell you that Paragon is not the only one. There is much more that we yet need to discover.
In junior robotics, basically they play with blocks. It encourages their social skills, emotional and cognitive skills as well. Definitely this is going to help the children a lot, because whatever they see around themselves, like animals, houses and homes, anything, whatever they see, they just come and try to create that thing in robotics with blocks. So their imagination and creativity goes high.
Todford Jod actually is like, we have an object, we open it, we extract some parts from it, and then we develop something new. Yeah, actually we are applying a lot of things in this, from mathematics to physics. Many laws are applied to work on this, from the Joule's law of heating to calculus. We apply everything here to make a new kind of a product.
Actually,
CBSE conducts workshops on life skills as a new scheme is introduced by NCERT. The beginning team, the adolescents, they are the ones who need life skill assistance most because they have certain changes in their mentality, their emotions, their physique. So it's very difficult for them to cope up with them. So in order to guide them, we conduct these workshops. We have these PowerPoint presentations, we have interactive games to teach them the values of life like critical thinking, decision making, empathy, and also to handle their stress, anger management, time management. So these are the things that we deal with.
Besides the innovative ways that Manav Rachna introduces in its curriculum, there are also interesting ways to maintain silence here. There are levels of conversation. You want to know what these levels are? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we've been discovering different aspects about Manav Rachna International, and who better than the principal herself to tell us more about the school, Mrs. Sanyogita Sharma. Hello ma'am. Ma'am, tell us something more about the curriculum of the school.
So the curriculum of this school, when I say that the curriculum is very, very comprehensive in nature, it is flexible, it has scope and space for personalized coaching for the children, and the curriculum is international. That means that we have blended the practices from across the world. Any concept that's taken, we look at our children, but they are smart in different ways. So one particular concept runs in all possible ways. Visual, your audio, your doing and learning, being part of it, understanding, internalizing. So all this is integrated with the teaching learning methodologies in the classrooms.
And ma'am, we've heard that there's also a facility of professional teaching for teachers as well as parents. Tell us something more about that.
I personally believe that my teachers in the school need to be very well equipped, and then we have experts coming from time to time, particularly any new value addition that we make. For example, the school also has tie-ups with international practices, maybe the I. Carnegie for the robotics programs, Paragon that has come from US, Mosaica School. So we have experts even flying from US. The practicing people who are practitioners into the area come and guide the teachers, empower them.
As a parent, why should one choose Manav Rachna over some other school? What would you say?
We don't promise that we will be taking every child to say 90% or 80%, but we definitely ensure that every child who comes to us will show an ascending order graph.
Yeah, and that we just had a look at in the classrooms, in the campus, and the students. Well, lovely talking to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And right now I am in what's called the USP of Manav Rachna International, the shooting range, the beautiful shooting range it has. And I have with me the star player of the school, Anjali, who's also a national player. How encouraging is the school towards the sport?
School is very encouraging. Like as we go for the tournaments, we miss our, lots of studies are being missed. So they come to us on their own, and they're like, you can come to us for extra classes.
The dream building in this school has begun for sure, and the students' commitment towards their goals are indicators for their unwritten success stories.